What is going on, you guys? It's your girl Danny Cash of the KASH Empire. Thanks for coming to watch my video. And in this video, I am going to be showing you my system, the LeadsLeap profit system, and how you can earn $10 payments over and over and over again forever. Just sharing this system and helping others learn how to market better online. Okay, so before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, I like to show people how to earn an income from home, how to market online, how to generate free traffic, just a lot of great tutorials and helpful videos that will help you in your business. Okay, so getting into this video, before I start, I know I got my bonnet on. I know the lighting is bad. I am so sorry. I apologize. That's why I haven't been using my webcam, because my webcam sucks. And I am currently 9 months pregnant, so I'm wearing my bonnet. I just don't feel like doing all of the extra. So I hope that's okay. But getting into this video, as you can see, I am currently on a platform that I created called LeadsLeap Profits, and I am so surprised that people have taken to it and are doing so well with it, and is growing at a very fast pace. And I'm just super excited that I could create something to help people generate an income and also become a better marketer for their business. And not just this business, but any business that you are promoting. This will help you in learning how to, create capture pages, autoresponders, build your email list, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so on this website, LeadsLeap Profits, as you can see here, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $100 a day just promoting this system. And what this system does is it's a training system. It's a 10-day training system that I put together to show you how to use the LeadsLeap marketing platform, which is completely different than this. And it pretty much just shows you how to use all of the tools to build your business. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the actual income photo of my income on LeadsLeap itself. And then you can just go through the home page and read all of this information about the LeadsLeap profit system. And I'm just going to log in. Okay, just give you a brief tour of what to expect. All right, so when you log in, I do have a game that allows you to earn some small commissions just for being active on the site. And this is your back office. Now, this is not a free system. It is a $10 one-time payment to access the training that I provide to you. Literally 10 days worth of training. You're literally paying $1 per day to access this training. You can't beat that. I'm sorry. Especially there are no other platforms created for LeadsLeap. There's no other training videos that are going to the extent that I went to on this platform. Okay, so it's just worth the investment. So you'll just click to activate once you create your account. And then there's the members area. You can view your signups. I also provided copy paste ads that you can use on social media. If you want to advertise on the platform, you can. I go over what LeadsLeap is, okay, because this is not LeadsLeap. This is a LeadsLeap system for LeadsLeap to train you. So you can watch this video. I have a funnel completely put together for you. All you have to do is watch the setup video and set up your funnel, and you just start marketing. Okay. And then the daily training here, as I said, 10 days worth of training. There's also a downline builder that I provide for you where you can go in and generate signups to all of these different platforms. So these are traffic platforms. They're traffic exchanges, and they're safe lists, and they're co-ops, mailers, plenty of websites. And these are all of these websites are sites that I use personally on a daily basis to generate traffic to any of my businesses. I don't care what I'm promoting. I use these sites to generate free traffic. Okay. But they're also great for earning extra commissions, because if a person likes that platform, they might upgrade, they might purchase credits, and that gives you the ability to earn commissions from those sites as well. So that's another plus. On this platform, I also have contests. Right now, there is not a contest taking place. I will start another contest next month. I needed time to, get more stuff on the website and, just pretty much build it up to how I wanted it. So I just took a month off for the contest. But up until this point, I have been running monthly contests where you can win a cash prize just for referring others, doing something that you're already going to be doing anyway. And of course, you have the marketing tools. Okay, so these are tools to help you generate traffic to your LeadsLeap profit system. Okay, so you have banners here, and when you scroll down, I'm not going to go all the way down, but you also have solo ads. So those are emails that you can use to send out to your leads and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the LeadsLeap profit system, pretty much in a nutshell. Everything you need to collect $10 payments, these are sent directly to you. Okay, so that is the plus of having the LeadsLeap profit system. Not only are you learning, but you are earning. Okay, so I'm just going to log into my LeadsLeap account. So this is the LeadsLeap website itself, and this is a marketing tools platform, and it pretty much just gives you everything you need to market online, because as a marketer, you should be knowing how to build funnels. You should know how to capture leads, building your email list, how to follow up with these leads. All of that stuff is important as a marketer and for any business. Okay, this is to build any business. So this is the back office for LeadsLeap. So once you join LeadsLeap Profits and you upgrade, it's going to tell you to join LeadsLeap. So you're going to be going to the downline builder and joining under your sponsor. And this is going to create a residual income for you in LeadsLeap. Okay, so I'm just going to show you over here my earnings in LeadsLeap so far. So I'm going to my earnings and withdrawal. All right, so far I have made total $3,768 with LeadsLeap. So for a long time I slept on LeadsLeap. I did not realize the potential of earning an income. I did not realize the potential of all of the tools. So I actually took time over the past maybe 2 years to actually learn the platform, understand the tools, learn how to, build the, learn how to use the page manager, learn how to use the different things that they have on the site. And since then, since I took it serious and I've started promoting it, I've been able to build a nice monthly residual income using this platform. And this is using the LeadsLeap profit system. Okay, once I put this system together, it absolutely blew up, and it's not only helping me, but it's helping a ton of other people as well earn commissions, daily commissions, $10, and then a residual income from LeadsLeap. So as you can see, I have $151 that I can withdraw. I have $511 pending, and this continues to grow every single month. Every single month that I'm promoting the LeadsLeap profit system, my LeadsLeap account blows up as well. So as you can see here, when I go to view followers, I have referred over 750 people, but 769 people into LeadsLeap. Okay, and my other levels have just went crazy. Once I started, like I said, promoting the LeadsLeap profits, I had no idea that it was going to take off, and it just exploded my LeadsLeap account. And I've seen, others' accounts grow as well. Like when you go to the testimonials, if you want to see not just my results, but you also want to see other members' results, I'm going to go to the LeadsLeap profits. All right. And as you can see, there are 13 reviews about the LeadsLeap profit system, and you could just read theirs. And there's a few people that I have watched who started on LeadsLeap with just a few, like Chris Joy, he's one of them. He literally started at 18 followers, and his LeadsLeap account has grown to 73 followers since he started this system. And there's a few more people that I've noticed who their followers are just going up and up. And when their followers go up, that means the people that they've brought in are bringing people in and are bringing people in. And they're just growing their LeadsLeap account. So it's just super exciting. I'm just ecstatic that I could create something that people love and are using and is helpful to their business. Okay. So if you are watching this video, if you have joined LeadsLeap and you're pretty much confused, you don't know how to use the platform because it's a lot on the platform. When you're going through LeadsLeap, it can be confusing. There are a lot of different tools on the site, and it can just be overwhelming if you don't know anything about LeadsLeap. It's like any other, marketing tools platform. You got to learn it. And my system helps you to do that. In 10 days, you will know how to use each and every single one of these tools, and you will be able to use them not only for this business, but for any business that you are a part of, and pretty much just grow as a marketer. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below in the comment section. To join the LeadsLeap Profit System, you can click the link in the description or in the comment section as well. And that is it, okay? Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.